Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. A water slide is a slide created specifically for indoor or warm weather recreational use at water parks. The way that people ride water slides determines their size. Some slides demand that passengers either sit directly on the slide itself or on a raft or tube specifically made for the slide. As a result of the water's reduced friction, sliders descend the slide relatively swiftly. A swimming pool, commonly referred to as a plunge pool, or a lengthy run-out chute are where water slides end. A lifeguard is typically posted at the top and bottom of the slide so that anyone wounded while using it can receive prompt medical attention. How if the water slide is so extreme and scare? This is for you. A 1. Spa Resorts Hawaiians, Fukushima, Japan. One of the wildest water slides in the world is located in this water park, along with being extremely lengthy and quick. It also features some bizarre and surreal lights on its walls that will absolutely drive you mad. The primary location of the indoor swimming pools, water slides, and dance stage is the water park, with pineapple plants and other tropical flora, as well as service members and hotel visitors dressed in Hawaiian garb. This location recreates the Hawaiian ambience. Spa Garden Perio, a water playground with outdoor pools, deck chairs, jacuzzis, and a sauna, is located outside, closed in winter. 2. Scorpion's Tail, Noah's Ark, United States. This water slide will give you the impression that you are aboard a rocket. The water slide is constructed in the shape of a tube, and it descends at 30 miles per hour before increasing to 40 miles per hour. Like the preceding slide, this one is also utterly brutal and unique in its sort. Its build-up is virtually vertical. Additionally, Noah's Ark is regarded as the water park capital of the globe. Cool. The Scorpion's Tail uses a near vertical plunge down through a trapdoor inserted up a 10-story high building to create door-and-floor tension. This utterly insane design circles you 8.2 meters up at a 60-degree angle, and because to the fiberglass see-through pipes, you also get to witness the earth turn inside out. 3. Encinal Beach Park, Brazil. This water slide, which is almost as tall as a 14-story structure, originally held the title for being the highest water slide in the world. The most intriguing feature of this water slide is how almost vertically it is constructed, giving you the impression that you are flying. The top of this slide provides an amazing perspective of the Atlantic Ocean. In summary, the name of this water slide is entirely appropriate. Encinal is a towering 41 meters, 134.5 feet. Tall structure with an estimated 4-5-second drop time. According to their website, riders can travel at a speed of 105 kilometers per hour, 65.2 miles per hour. You may see the drop for yourself by watching the first-person point-of-view video at the bottom of the article. 4. Aqua Park, Vertigo MSC Preciosa, MSC Cruises. This water slide, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, can be found aboard the MSC Preciosa by MSC Cruises, one of the world's greatest luxury cruise ships. The fact that this water slide delivers a translucent, clear trip over the side of the ship and provides an unhindered view of the ocean is another intriguing feature of it. Doremi Castle Aqua Park is located in a prime location on Deck 16, and it offers a thrilling route of water elements on raised platforms, including sprays, fountains, water guns, and valves, each of which is intended to splash, soak, and delight in equal measure, as the water cannons in the region inspire prankish interaction amongst pals. A soaking bucket creates tension by filling up drip by drip above unaware heads. 5. Jumeirah Sayara, Wild Wadi, Dubai. From a distance, this water slide will merely appear innocuous, similar to any other standard water slide. To access the beginning of this extremely tall slide, one must climb a 32-meter tower. This slide is special because it descends directly from a tower that is so high. Rather than just extending from it, sliders are dropped at a vertical angle, increasing their speed to over 50 miles per hour. Dormy Castle Aqua Park is located in a prime location on Deck 16, and it offers a thrilling route of water elements on raised platforms, including sprays, fountains, water guns, and valves, each of which is intended to splash, soak, and delight in equal measure. A drenching bucket builds suspense by filling up drip by drip over unsuspecting heads, ready to rain down from on high, while the area's water cannons encourage mischievous interaction between friends, old and new. So that is 5 cool and interest water park in the world. Which one do you think is the best? If you like this content, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.